Problem number 3. How much water and how much of a substance must be weighted to make 200 grams of a 4% by mass solution? Let's start by writing down what we know and what we need to calculate in this problem. We know mass of solution equals 200 grams, and we know percentage concentration by mass, in other words, percent mass over mass, equals 4%. What we are looking for in this problem is mass of substance and mass of water. So in our beaker, we have substance and water. Our solution, mass of our solution, equals 200 grams. And percentage concentration by mass, percent mass over mass, equals 4%. Let's solve this problem in two ways, based on proportion and based on formula. First way, proportion. Based on the data provided in the problem, we know that percentage concentration by mass, the solution, equals 4%. So in 100 grams of solution, there is 4 grams of solute. We have 200 grams, so 200 grams of solution, there is X grams of solute. We calculate X by cross multiplying this proportion. So X times 100 grams equals 200 grams times 4 grams. To solve for X, we need to divide both sides by 100 grams. X equals 200 grams times 4 grams over 100 grams equals 8 grams of solute. So now we know 8 grams of solute. We know already mass of solute. Now we have to calculate mass of water. So mass of solution is mass of solvent, in our case water, plus mass of solute. So mass of water equals mass of solution minus mass of solute. So mass of water equals 200 grams minus 8 grams equals 192 grams of water. So answer for this problem: to prepare 200 grams of 4% by mass solution, we must weigh 8 grams of substance and 192 grams of water. Now, let's solve this problem based on a formula. So second way, formula. Percentage concentration by mass, so percent mass over mass, equals mass of solute over mass of solution multiplied by 100%. We know PCM in this problem, 4%, and we know mass of solution, 200 grams. We are looking for mass of solute, so we have to transform this formula. how to do it. So PCM over 1 equals mass absolute times 100% over mass of solution. So we calculate mass absolute by cross multiplying. So mass absolute times 100% equals PCM times mass of solution. To solve for mass absolute, we need to divide both sides by 100%. So mass absolute equals PCM times mass of solution over 100% equals 4% times mass of solution 200 grams over 100%. So mass absolute equals 8 grams. Now we need to calculate mass of water. And mass of water we calculate the same way like before. And of course we get same mass, 192 grams. Guys, we solve these problems in two ways, based on proportion and based on formula. You decide which way is easier for you. That's all as far as this problem is concerned. If you like this video, please leave a thumb up and subscribe to the channel to be notified about the next videos. I also invite you to leave comments. Now we move on to the next problem.